I'm actually on my way to meet Ashley, so I'm gonna surprise her with a matcha, you guys. I don't even know what type of matcha Ashley be even liking. Am I recording, bro?
Is whole milk okay?
Can I get oat milk? I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're good.
So I got two different flavor matcha. One with honey lavender and one with caramel or caramel. I don't know which one I'm gonna like. I don't know which one she's gonna like. 15 minutes away, so I hope like the ice doesn't melt. I actually was not gonna do nothing today. I text her, I'm like, let's go get food. It's like, oh, I have a campaign shoot for True Religion. It's like, pull up and we can figure something after. I was like, bet.
You smell good. What you put on? Twin got us matcha. So like turn your head to the side.
So I'm trying the caramel one. A little sweet, but it's really good though. Yeah.
You break your mind.
You don't hold it. We finally made it to Little Tony's concert, bro. There's been a lot going on.
Do you see like the black?
Yeah, the location didn't take me to no place like that. No, rock show.
Finally, we found where we're supposed to come. So the promoter's about to come get us. But bro, there's so much people here. Gonna be my last moment vlogging on this camera because this camera is about to die. The rest of the footage is gonna be on my iPhone. How do y'all feel? We are at Para right now for Demi's birthday. Leo's on the way. Wait, why am I even talking to you guys for this night after you say? When I say this vlog is gonna be so choppy, please forgive me. I'm trying the best that I can. I don't know if it's viral. Coconut milk curry dumpling recipe. I'm gonna just put a picture. Well, we're gonna make it together. So I came to get pork dumplings. At the end, I had to put the chili onion crunch. I'm moving quick. I'm with my sister. She has a birthday dinner to go to in an hour. She hasn't even started getting ready. This is gonna be very quick. Trader Joe's run. I'm looking for the coconut milk because I can't find it. The one that comes in the can. Finding some white rice, a frozen jasmine white rice, and we're gonna head out. We weren't even here for like 5 minutes. Just in the car staring at me. Ever since Travis Scott album came out, what, like 2-3 months ago? Jack Boys 2 came out, I've been bumping that shit. Let's cook. Honestly, I know I'm making this meal seem way more important than just dumpling and sauces, but it looks really good. Let me show you guys. Why would you guys not want to eat this? Wait to the end. That looks so fucking good. So we're gonna make it. Why not? Pork pot sticker, Thai style red curry sauce. I'm excited to try this actually. Coconut cream. We all know coconut in anything is good as hell. And it's organic, that's a plus. Head ass. We all know about this. The chili crunch. This goes good with pho, egg, like anything. You can put this on anything. Soyaki, teriyaki sauce. And then you put baby spinach in there. And I got jasmine rice, Trader Joe's jasmine rice, which I've heard this is really good. Total was only $26. Like, I'm doing a lot of talking, so let's get started. I wanted to make it in a glass bowl, but this is the only size bowl that I have right now. I don't know. We're gonna make it in this one. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Bro, every time I rush, I always forget something. I forgot to get the fucking garlic, bro. I'm annoyed. I don't have garlic, y'all. I pray that this does not affect the meal. I knew I was forgetting something. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let's just preheat the oven. Oven preheated. Let's start with the mixing. 2, 3. They said half the bottle of the Thai curry. Oh, that smells so good. Is that half the bottle? We gonna say that's half. Have you guys ever had roti? They even sell it at Trader Joe's already made. You just gotta heat it up. This smells just like it, bro. I got this mixture going. Triple wash. Like I said, it's not pretty, so don't judge me. I'm supposed to use foil, but I'm just gonna use the top that goes to this pot. It's only been in there for like 5 minutes. It already smells good in here. My camera just died while I was talking to you guys, so I think it's trying to tell me to shut the hell up. I'm gonna just come back to y'all when the food is done. I'm about to just chill on the couch. Why we take a 20-minute nap? There's 12 minutes left for a dumpling bake, but I think I'm about to take it out. It's bubbling, and I feel like I'm overcooking it. Depending on your oven, you do not need 35 minutes. And I just warmed up my rice. Bro, recording and cooking is not for the weak, bro. But I got my jasmine rice and I'm about to plate it. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Oops. Exactly how I thought it would taste. I didn't even need the garlic. I feel like there's already enough flavor in this. This is fire. I'm gonna add a little more sauce. It's for you guys.
I just ate dinner, but I'm gonna eat this stuff. Ooh, I look good. Oh. All right, y'all, let's try it. First of all, I love dumplings in general. It smells good. It smells like peanutty. That is so good. That is a bust down. Don't let nobody see this. I don't want to share it.
I got lamb chops and I'm about to try it. I saw her story. It looked really good.
Yeah, they are really big. Me and my people be rolling.